Integrated Science KPSEA final prediction 2025. So let us go to agriculture very fast. So let us go to agriculture. Agriculture is here. A tailor was seen using a needle needlework tool shown below. It is used for what? So that is what we call the tape measure. Tape measure is used for the taking measurement. Remember, we have a label. We also have that protect your fingers. We also have the needle for sewing. Then we have pin cushion for holding what? The pins and the needle. So this one is used for taking measurement. The next question. Rehema wants to sweep a dusty floor. Identify one activity she should do before sweeping. Sweep the floor, sprinkle water on the floor, wash the floor, mop the floor. So A, B, and C, and D are the answers. But now, what should Rehema do? Number one, the first one is sprinkle water on the floor. That is B. Number 28. Remember this prediction. Keep on subscribing, and even you can say to your friends. Which one of the following is the tool? Following tool is not needed when baking food. When we are baking food, what don't we need? Frying pan, whisk, scraper, pastry brush. We need a frying pan. We don't need a frying pan because we are not frying, but we need a whisk. We also need scraper. We also need pastry brush. Number 29. Lakera ate food that kept the body healthy and protect from diseases. Which food is likely to have the following nutrients? Fats, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins. Protect from diseases. The A is fats, B protein, C carbohydrates, D is vitamins. So the correct answer here is vitamins. Then we have number 30. Grace and her group listed the following foods that can be cooked by stewing, which is not true. Beans, beef, French fries, vegetables. By stewing, stew. Look at A, beans. Can we cook beans as a stew? French beans, vegetables, beef. So which one is not is French beans? French beans cannot. French fries cannot be used as a stew. Then we have number 31. Grade 6 learner is using the kitchen tool shown below. So the question is used when cooking what? Eggs, chapati, meat, potatoes. It is used when cooking chapatis. Then we have number 32. A child was seen suffering from the disease. Shown below. The child is suffering from rickets, scurvy, goiter, marasmus. This child is suffering from goiter. Remember goiter, we can prevent goiter by consuming food with iodine, eating food with iodine. So the child was sick from goiter because you can see the neck. Then we have number 33. Emily's brother preserved fruits and vegetables for the following reasons. Why? So the question is, why do we preserve foods and fruits? Reduce wastage, yes. To last longer, yes. To spend the money, no. Prevent from spoiling, no. Not to spend the money. In fact, we are saving the money. Number 34. Grade 6 learners are constructing a house for guinea pigs in order to rear them in. The house is called cages. No, hatch is for the rabbit, kennel for the dog, but it's called a stay, a big stay, big stay. Number 35. To control gully erosion, you should. This one I tell my student, GG, gully for gabion. Therefore, remember gully erosion is a V shape or U shape, very deep. Therefore, it is we build gabions. That is choice C. Number 36. Cover crops. That one is to prevent or to control sheet. Planting trees, yes, sheet. Construct terraces. Also, it's a method. The correct answer is building gabions. The following are ways of keeping offered animals without harming them. Which one is not? Use of meshed fence, use of traps, use of innovative sounds, use of poisons. We're not supposed to use poison because poison will definitely kill our animals. So we are not supposed to. Which one is not? We are not supposed to use poison. Number 37. A farmer reared the domestic animals in the picture in his farm. So that one is a sheep. And remember, a sheep doesn't give us milk. Therefore, it can provide the following except manure, yes, wool, yes, meat, yes, security, no. Security, you can get it from a dog, and this is not a dog. The next question. Anderson uses gardening tools for transporting seedlings. Anderson uses fork jembe, spade, slasher, garden trowel. Remember, we are transplanting seedlings from a nursery bed to the seed bed. Therefore, we're supposed to use a garden trowel. Slasher is for clearing the bushes. Use the same with a panga. Fork jembe for digging up. Spade for turning soil. Now, number 39. The process by which topsoil is gradually removed from one place to another by landing water and weed is called soil erosion. Let me get it. Let's read again. By which soil is gradually removed from one place to another by running water and weed is called soil erosion, soil conservation, soil deposition, soil degradation, soil erosion. Number 40. A farmer laid down plant material on the soil at the base of the plant in order to prevent evaporation, and the farm is shown in the diagram. The practice above is called weeding. No, weeding is removing unwanted weeds. They have mulching. Yes, this is mulching. Staking or shading. So we are told farmer lay down plant materials on the soil at the base of the not to prevent this is mulching. Then we have number 41. Which wild animal is not correctly matched with how it destroys crops? Bird eat maize grains in the farm. Yes. Monkey eat fruits in the farm. Yes. Squirrel eat leaves of the crops. No, squirrel eats the seeds. Here it's sukuma wiki leaves. Yes, squirrel eats the seeds, not the leaves. Number 42. Which one is not the best routine practices to carry out on rabbits when rearing them? Tying them, feeding them, controlling parasites, housing. B, C, and D are correct. We should feed them, control the parasites with them, and also we should give them a house. But tying them, this is not a cow. We should not even tie the rabbit. Number 43. Grade 6 learners wanted to cook using equipment shown below. Now what is this? This is a stove. Which fuel would they use? They would use kerosene. This is not a jiko. This is what we call a stove. So in this one, we cannot even use firewood or a gas. So we need to use kerosene or what we call paraffin. Number 40 what? 44. Grade 6 learners listed vegetables grown at home. Which one is not a vegetable? Spinach, yes. Cabbage, yes. Beans, no. Carrots, Yes. So beans is not a beans is legumes or what we call pulses. So correct answer is B for boy. Beans. Mogaka grew tomatoes on moist bed. The moist bed is likely to be tomatoes, sunken bed, nursery bed, paddy field, seed bed. Should be A. What we call the sunken bed should be the sunken bed. Number 46. Charity uses safe traps to capture wild animals in her farm. What should she do to the animal after trapping them? Killing them? No, should not kill the animals. Poisoning them? No, they will die. Rearing them? we cannot rear. We cannot rear them. Releasing them back to the pack. Yes, we should release them back to the pack, but not killing them or even rearing them, because they might be harmful to us, maybe kill us or bring disease to us. Number 47. How does the sun drying preserve fruits and vegetables? By removing water. Adding water to them? No. Removing moisture in them? Yes. Making them fresh? No. Making them rot? No. By removing moisture in them, that is how your grandmother and your mother dries the maize. Number 48. Your cousin Joe sweats a lot. What suggestion will you give him on how to manage sweat? Regular bathing with soap and water. Use a lot of perfume spray? No. Wearing underpants without changing? No. Wearing tight clothes do not absorb sweat. Should bathe with water and soap, and if possible even twice. That is choice A. 49. Nelly was seen using methylated spirit to remove a certain type of stain on her blouse. Which stain was likely to be? Blood stain, banana sap stain, ink stain, grass stain. This one is supposed to be ink stain. Then we have the last one, number 50. A farmer carried out the following farm practice on his farm. Which water conservation method did he use? Sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation, sprayer irrigation, hosepipe irrigation. We can see we have a crop, 2 crops and 2 drops. So this one is what we call the drip irrigation. So the answer is B. So thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing, sharing, and these are very good predictions for KPSEA, how it will be and how they really put their questions across. Thank you for watching. If you're happy, just like that video. It will not cost you anything. Kindly tap like you like it, and then look at that subscription button. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Wish you the best in your exams.